If you like to keep your house really clean with one of these, then the chances are pretty high that you generate a lot of waste when it comes to those little disposable pads. So I'm here to tell you a great green tip on how to save the environment while you keep your house clean by switching over to a microfiber cloth. You can use it both as a dry or wet mop. And if you choose to use it as a wet mop, you can even check out one of my former green tips on how to make your own all-natural cleaner. It's really so simple to do. All you have to do is wrap your microfiber cloth around your cleaning device, just like you would one of those disposable pads, and clean your floor the exact same way. Then when you're done with it, you can just throw it in the washing machine. Or even better, clean it by hand. So when you're being clean, be sure to stay green. I'm Jason Winningham, and this has been your Green Tip of the Week.